Oh my God. How the hell? The bird is stuck between the window and the screen. Phew. I don't know. How am I going to get him out? How did it get in there? I don't even know how it fit in there. Oh my God. Well, this is one no one's going to believe. Holy cow. How am I going to get you out? You made a mess of my window. Oh! It tore a hole in my screen. Oh my God. What the heck? Did you think you could get in the house? You dumb bird. You dumb bird. Oh. Oh my God. Alright. I'm scared if I open the window, he's gonna fly right in here at me. Oh no!